This is Bizz Intelligence. Watch this video till end and learn how to make your dashboard and report attractive by organizing measures in separate measures table and grouping them in subfolder. So let's head over my laptop and see how to do that. I have IPL dashboard on my screen which uses multiple tables and it has multiple measures created in that. They are spread across these multiple tables. So when I need them, I have to go through each of these tables and find out them, and that takes time for me. So it is a good idea to organize measures in measures table. There are two ways to do that. Let's see how to do that. First, go to model view, and now let's go to home tab and click on enter data, and this will allow you to create a new table by manually entering values. So let's at least create one field in this table. Double click on this column 1, give a field name, type at least one value and give a name to this table and click on load. Now this will create new table with one field. Now let's go to this B3 details table where I have multiple measures. Expand this table. Now select measures which you want to organize in separate table, and you can directly drag these measures in newly created table. And those measures will automatically move to that new table. Now there was a one field which we had created in new table and we don't now need that field actually. So we can right click on this field and click on delete from model to delete that field from that table. Now there are few more measures in my B3 detail table and there are few more in country table. So I will have to drag them one by one. So there is one more option which I will show you how you can change the home table of these measures. So that, go to report view, go to table where you have measure, select the measure, go to measures tool, under home table, select the table to which you want to move that measure. So my table name is measure table. I click on measure table and that measure will move automatically to the new table. Now there are few more measures in country table. Let's select each of these measures, go to measures tool, select table to which you want to move this measure as a home table and it will move to that table. Now we will see how to group these measures in subfolder. For that, again go to model tab, select the measure table and you can select multiple measures by holding Ctrl key, and you can see the properties pane is open and there is an option to give display folder name. So type folder name here and hit enter key. Now this will group these measures in separate subfolder which we had just created, and this way you will be able to organize measures in separate measure table and in subfolder, and this will save a lot of your time of finding them across this report. Thank you for watching.